In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the SuperPower ChatGPT extension in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded and that you have a stable internet connection, since you'll be visiting the Chrome web store and installing an extension directly from there. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome web store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are listed, so it's the safest and most reliable source for installation. When the store loads, use the search bar to look for SuperPower ChatGPT. Type the name clearly so you can find the correct extension in the search results. When you see SuperPower ChatGPT, click on it to open the extension page. Take a quick look at the listing to make sure you've selected the right one, then click Add to Chrome. Chrome will usually show a confirmation pop-up asking whether you want to proceed with the installation. If that appears, confirm it, and give the browser a moment to download and install the extension. After the extension finishes installing, open ChatGPT in your browser. In many cases, you may need to refresh the page if ChatGPT was already open before the extension was installed. This helps ensure that the new features load properly and become available in the interface. Now that ChatGPT is open, check for the new SuperPower ChatGPT features. Depending on the version and layout, you may notice additional tools or menu options that were not there before. These features are designed to make your ChatGPT experience more organized and efficient, especially if you use it often for work, study, or content creation. You can then begin using features such as folders, prompt tools, search, or export options. Folders can help you organize conversations more neatly. Prompt tools can save time when reusing instructions. Search can make it easier to find older chats. And export options can be useful if you want to keep copies of important conversations. Finally, adjust the extension settings based on how you want to organize ChatGPT. This is an important step because it allows you to personalize the experience to match your workflow. Take a moment to explore the available settings and choose the options that best fit the way you use ChatGPT. That's it. Once everything is set up, you'll be ready to use ChatGPT with a more powerful and organized interface right inside Chrome.